with divine elements of design and the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So this is week 26 of the weekly declutter challenge. We are at the halfway point. So for week 26, we are going to declutter our coffee cups and commuter mugs. Yes, I know that is a lot because we often receive coffee cups and mugs as gifts, birthday presents, souvenirs. We're buying them for ourselves, we're buying them for others. And what happens is we end up having so many of these things. And just like everything else, too much of something becomes clutter. So today we are going to actually declutter my very own. So the first thing we're going to do is actually physically touch each and every mug to see which ones we want to keep or which ones we want to properly dispose of. Now, I always say a good rule of thumb is to have 2 in your home per person. So if there are 4 people that live in your home, a total of 8 is fine. So that's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are in my kitchen. This is actually my little coffee area. I have like a whole little coffee hot tea station. Now, I personally do not drink coffee, but I love a good glass of hot tea with lemon. So I keep my coffee cups here. Now for one, I do have this one here, this little decorative one. I love like little decor items like throughout the house that I don't use. So I just always have like these little random things that when people come over, they're like, oh, is this, real? Or is this cupcake real? Or is this ice real? Or different things like this. And I'm always like, no, it's not. It's just for decor. So as a disclaimer, I am keeping this one. This one came from Paris, and this is my sister's gift to me when she went to Paris. So that just kind of stays there because it's part of the whole decor. So anywho, let's open up the cabinet and see what we have. Now I have not did any type of prep or anything, so this is how it normally looks. So I actually utilize this one. Like this is kind of like my go-to. I love a big cup of tea. So that's going to be a keeper. Now this is my son's when he was younger because he used to love like Planet of the Apes and monkeys, but he's like a big boy now. He's almost a man. He's 19, so this is going to get donated. This was a gift to me several years ago, but as you can see, even though it's not broke or crumbled, even though it's mom and it's beautiful, yada, but you have to let things go. So this is one that will be donated. Now, you know me. I love Cruella de Vil. This is stained. It's big. It's large. This is stained. Everyday Magic. I got this as a gift from Maddie James. I love me some Maddie James. This is stained. And, okay, so 2 Christmases ago, Chippy the Elf, our elf on the shelf, bought everyone in the family except for me mugs with our initials on. These are big mugs. I can use one of my kids' mugs, so that's fine. This can go. This is like a Paris one, but I believe it did not come from Paris itself. I think I may have just purchased it somewhere. I like it. It's tall, it's beautiful, but you can't keep everything. So I'm gonna let this one go. AT&T is just a plain one. I don't know where I got it from, but it's going. This Virgo one, this was a gift, and plus I like it because I'm a Virgo. In fact, almost everyone in my home is a Virgo. Me, my husband, my daughters were Virgos, so this is gonna stay. Canada, I don't remember where I got this from. I'll put this with the maybe set for now because we may maybe during like decorating and stuff, I may use that. I'm not sure. Okay, this is just a plain one. It's getting donated. This dad one, sorry dad, it's getting donated. This one is just plain white. I think it went with something. It has a little spoon. I'm not using it. It's going. I don't even know. This is a handle. I have no idea where the mug that goes to this. Okay, so these are some koozies. They do not belong here, so I'm going to take them and move them to the side. I will properly put them where they need to be. These are some tea bags. I don't know why they're there. I'll just move that to the side. This is one I got from Aruba. It's big. It's gonna stay. So there are 5 people that live in this house, so we actually can keep 10, and I think we're good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, for the commuter mugs, it's the same thing. This is Texas Counterfeiters. I still can keep 10 of the commuter mugs. This one came from a company. It's probably getting donated. This one, okay, this is the one that broke. So this is actually going to get put in the trash. It's a nice big mug. I remember where I got it since I woke up like this. When my oldest son went to college a million years ago, like 10 years ago, I got it from the Walmart. I remember it, but I liked it because it was big. So that's going to go in the trash because I will not give it to anyone. Now, if you hear that sizzling in the background, I am cooking dinner. I'm making smoked turkey wings and an oven roaster. So that's what that noise is. And I'm going to tell you now, it smells divine. If you want information about how to use a stovetop oven or whatever it's called, leave it in the description or the comment section below, and I'll give you like a little sneak peek. Now this one came from my husband's job, so we probably will keep it because, like I said, we can keep 2 of each. Now this is a Yeti. Now remember, many years ago, everyone loved Yeti. So like now everyone's into Stanley. I don't know. I mean, I know Stanley has the handle, but for some reason, everyone just seemed to have forgotten about Yeti. So let me know in the comment section if you are Team Yeti or Team Stanley. Now, I do not have a Stanley, so maybe if I did get a Stanley, I would be Team Stanley. But as of right now, I'm just Team Yeti. Keeping this one, my sister gave this to me when we went to Jamaica a few years ago on a girls trip. Now, I have a little step stool down there because I can't reach everything, so I'm going to have to get on the stool. Okay, so this is just the letter N, but the top doesn't stay on. So it is safe for me to put this with the donation. Okay, this is that other B for our family. I think this was like a gift or something. We don't need this. We don't use this, so that's going to get donated. This is one from Carnival Cruise. It doesn't even, it's not right. It's broke. That's going to get trashed. I bought this one once because it was so cute. I thought it was cute, but it doesn't even have a lid thing. So that's going to get donated. This was Tupperware from a million years ago. This is going to get donated as well because I don't use it at all. Not really, I don't. These were some shot glasses. Now, we actually have a whole shot glasses someplace else, but my son probably did the kitchen and didn't put them where they need to go. So let's see. Okay, this is another one from Carnival, or actually it's Carnival. This is gonna get tossed because it doesn't even have a top. Now, one thing about the, this declutter challenge, by doing little small things each week, you can actually get a lot done. So I think this is what my sister gave one of my kids. I'm going to keep this because it's kind of cute, like a little tiki Mickey. This is, it's fake. It was like when I was doing home staging, and this is just another little fake thing. At one time I had this too, but I'm going to keep this because I might use it for something else. This looks like some random tea bags and like sugar packets. Probably I went somewhere. Now the whole thing is done. I will go ahead and clean it off and then put back only the ones I'm going to keep. So give me like 1 second.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so it is completely empty. It is clean. I'm only using these 2 shelves because I'm not reaching up there to get anything. Plus up there is another like empty one of these. If I need it, it's just empty because it came in like a set of 2. And then in this container right there is like paper goods and like napkins, things that we do like when we're partying. We have them elsewhere at other places, but this is kind of like I guess the overflow. So we have that there. So what we're going to do is put the coffee cups that we're going to keep on this shelf, and then we're going to put the commuter mugs on that shelf. So we did say we're 5 people in this home, so we can keep 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 including the Paris one. So whew, we can actually keep that. I actually might move this one upstairs in my office because I don't really use it. It's so tiny, but I did want to keep it because, you know, Betty gave it to me. Now, this is broke. I really should get rid of this, but if you have children, you know, if you get rid of like one thing and another person has it, then we're in like World War IV. So I will just move it to the side where you can, well, I'll probably move it to the back. And hopefully no one gets it. Because there is no way I can get rid of that bead without replacing it, or it'll be all a war. Okay, so bam, we have that. I actually can stick this in there for now, even though I don't use it. Yeah, it closes. Okay, so for the commuter mugs, we really don't have a lot of the commuter mugs. You know, I'm just going to keep, yeah, we really don't have a lot. But my daughter does want the Stanley, like she's 8 years old and she's talking about like, she wants a Stanley, which I don't know. Please in the comment section, let me know what people's fascination with Stanley is. So let's go ahead and move these to the top. And, you know, one day I may get a Stanley, but I don't really commute like that where I need a commuter mug. Okay, wow, it looks so much clean. And these are all the ones that we are going to dispose of. And I'll show you as well. But I'm like really happy with the progress of what we're actually going to get rid of. I mean, I've doubled the space. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching this video with me and also joining the Declutter Challenge. If you have, if you want to join the Declutter Challenge, it's really easy. All you have to do is make a conscious effort to want to live in a decluttered home and have a decluttered life. And I will leave that information in the description box below. You can join a private Facebook community and also read the blog post and share any pictures of your decluttering journey on Instagram, and please tag me. So, thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.